Alright, so it's a pretty ugly day today, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and begin my restoration of my steering wheel. First step is to clean it with a nice degreaser. You have to clean out like all the areas where there's a crack. You can't just epoxy over this. Alright, so there's a couple different ways that you can go, but I'm going to go with this steel reinforced epoxy sticks. I'll put the link below. Alright, so here we go. It's all cleaned up. I'm going to have to do a lot more sanding, but the epoxy is in. You can see it there with it. It's kind of where they usually crack. And there, and most importantly up top where it's the most visible. So now we'll go ahead and let this cure, and then I'll come back and sand it. Stay tuned. All right, so this is healed up, nice, almost rock-like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down a little bit to get the shape back. I'll sand it up, both sides. The top is nice and level, nice and smooth. I did this rest of the steering wheel. So next thing is I gotta hit it with finer grit so that it's not so rough. All right, so I've washed it, degreased it. I'm gonna be doing the covers as well. So the next thing I need to do is I'm gonna let it dry, and then I have to tape it all up. All right, so the covers are already done. Steering column covers, and this is primer. All right, there you have it. Steering wheel's in. Now I just have to come to the garage real quick before it starts raining to pick up the rest of the parts that I need to put it together. Far from perfect, but compared to what was on here, it's a marked improvement. I'm very happy with it. You can see the finish on here is nice for a horn. But yeah, it really makes a big difference regarding the interior there, as you can see.